Okay, so hello. Let's do a simple lab within with EtherChannel, how to configure EtherChannel, how to group link. So link aggregation or EtherChannel, they're done on layer 2 devices, actually layer 2 basically. So the links that are aggregate, they have to be layer 2 ports, not assigned with IP address. So I'm going to pick two switches and then got the cables, still pick the cables. I will just use 1, 2, and 1, 2, 2, 2. Here, 2, 2. So this is switch 0, this is switch 1. We can even change this to 2, and then this 2. Okay, so here, so done. We're going to access. Actually, we're supposed to look at to try out two of them, and then the protocols to use. We have what you call punk, then P, whereby this punk P, it has mods like desirable and then auto, desirable and then auto. Then we have lacp, or we have active, active, and then passive. So for us to have the EtherChannel formed or established, we have to play around with this combination in scenarios where we're expecting the negotiations. So mostly if you're using punk and use desirable on one of the end, then the desirable edge or the end that is in desirable mode, it always initiates the negotiation. Then even when it comes to this side of lacp, the active. So we have the other mode, which is on. The on, it is a static mode. There is no need of negotiating. So when you look at this, we have actually redundant link, and STP will not allow that to happen. It will not allow that to happen. So this other redundant link, it is blocked. It is blocked. I can actually add another link. Sorry. Another link. 3, then 3. Of course, these two, they are going to be blocked on this side, but all this, they are going to be adding stage. So let's give it time here. In fact, let me copy this. Okay. So I'll give this a 3. Switch 3. Switch 4. Okay. So as you can see now, these two links are in downs that are blocked. These two, because they are those are they are redundant link. So I'll try punk on this and then try this on this. So let's start by opening the switch, then command line prompt. Then you go to configure terminal. I will call the interface because I've used from 1 up to 3 interface, then range F0 or 1 to 3. Then I can actually shut down these ports, shut down, as you can see, and then group them. Group them. Port channel or ether moment, channel, it's channel group. So I'll say channel group H channel group, then I give it a 1. If you want to know the number of groups that we can have, it's from 1 up to 6. So I'll use 1 and then proceed to, mode. Now mode, since I'm going to use, you can see we have active auto desirable, active auto desirable on passive. So if I use, as you can see there that actually active, it's under lacp, auto it's pang, desirable it's pang, on, that is enable EtherChannel only, it doesn't fall under any protocol. We have passive, which is lac. So I'll use punk, and the punk, either we have desirable, can use desirable with auto. So I'll use desirable here and then press enter. After that I will activate my ports. No shutdown. Then after that I will exit and then deal with the interface port channel 1, the one that I created, or the one that was created. Remember, it is here that creating port channel interface, port channel 1, it was created. So it's what I'm going to use. And then here I can actually go ahead and say maybe switch port, then mode, trunk. If I want to allow VLANs, of course I will just come, still go ahead here and say switch port, trunk, then allowed VLAN, then have 1, can allow VLAN 1. Now that I've allowed VLAN 1, if I create another VLAN, it won't be allowed there. So here we're done, and then we can close, go to this other switch, and then do the same. Enable and then configure terminal. My interface, it's a range of from F0 1 then to 3. Then after that, what I need is just to shut down these ports and then create the channel group, one, then mode. I can use auto here or desirable, still it will work. So the channel it's created, and then after that no shutdown. To activate my ports, because I had already disabled them. Then you exit and then you work on the logical interface. So once I exit, then I will call interface, then port channel, still it's 1, and then I go switch port mode, then trunk. I can allow, since I've allowed the other side, even this side I have to allow. Switch port mode, then trunk, allowed, VLAN 1. Okay, so we're done. It's time to verify. You can say maybe show port channel. No, not that. I need I can use this to see exactly show EtherChannel. We have EtherChannel. What else can we What else? So this policy port security, no. So we can only here use EtherChannel, as you can see. So if I use EtherChannel, so EtherChannel, then port channel, load balancing summary. So I can actually stop here. What is it going to show us? So here we have EtherChannel and this port. I think this group stage L2, then ports 3, then port channel 1, maximum port channel, which is this, we've created this, and then the protocol it is pagp. And then I can use summary. Let's use summary and see what it's going to show us. So with summary, as you can see, our Ether channel, it's up, the state is up, then the protocol is pagp, and then as you can see the ports within the port channel here, there are 3 and they are listed here, and then the status we have P. So when you go to P, it is in port channel, that these ports are in port channel, they are part of the port channel. So lastly we have port channel, port channel. We have another optional port channel. So with port channel with which is this, as you can see, group 1 port channel is in the group port channel. We have it here, and then all this information on this still. So index, these are the ports that are there, and then the mode, as you can see, the mode that is used, it's desirable, all this. So we can actually go ahead and see, for example, if I group or get other another yeah. So we can actually try out this. Yeah. So let's try this. The lacp. The other one was pagp. So it's enable, then configure terminal. Still the interface, we have the range, which is from F0, then 1 up to 3, and then you shut down the interfaces, the selected ones, and then you channel group them, channel group, then one mode. Now the lacp, it's active, and then active, and then passive. So created, then activate the interfaces again, no shut, then call the interface. Sorry, we exit first, then call the interface port channel 1, then switch port mode, then trunk. You can even allow, like the way we said we did in the other previous, but here will not. Let me go to this, do the same. Do the same by pressing enter, then enable configure terminal. In this interface, we need a range from F0 slash 0, 1, and then 2, sorry, no shutdown. Sorry, shutdown, and shut. Oh, I've already. Okay, then port channel. Okay, then port channel. It's channel group. I use one. Then the mod I'll use. No, it's active. We use active, and then after active, you activate the port. There's no shutdown. Then exit once you're done. Call the port channel that is created so far. Interface port channel 1, and then switch port mode. Switch port mode trunk. Then switch port. Yeah, you can specify the allowed VLANs, but let's stop here, and now we can actually verify by running show ether channel, show ether channel summary, and the okay. So when you look at this, we have lack, and the ether channel is up, the port channel is up, and the ports, as you can see, that are part of that port channel. So when you look around here, in the first place, our two cables, they were blocked, but this time they are treated as this. They are treated as the they are treated as a single logical link. Okay, so I think that is it. Thank you.